Hey guys, so today we're working on a Samsung washer machine. So today I'll be showing you what's the problem. You see this build? You see how loose it is? It looks like the idler pulley from the bottom is broken. This is what I think. So we're gonna open it up. We already opened up the top. We're gonna open up the bottom and see how. We'll start out by taking the covers off. Pretty simple and easy. Just taking the screws off. Here are the covers. So now we're gonna take this apart. In order to take this off, you got 4 screws. One here, one there, and one there, and one there. So now we took the front cover out. We should be able to take this off completely. Very easy. So I managed to find the problem. The problem was the spring. The spring was disattached. As you can see, the pulley is perfectly fine. Okay, except you need a new spring, and you're good to go. Hey guys, as you can see, I couldn't get the spring today, so I had no choice to bend the spring a little bit to get it to work. But please make sure you do not rotate the roller counterclockwise by hand, otherwise the spring will come out. Hey guys, as you can see, it's now working. Mission accomplished.